Hi guys, welcome to Distracker channel guys. So guys, today I'm discuss topic about that how we can promoting for local listing and that mean by promote your website using for Google My Business. Recently, I received the 5-6 comment every week for the previous video. Sir, I have the multiple Google My Business. So recently, Google AdWords campaign, local store and promotion will be coming to market. So I have the multiple Google My Business accounts. How to select the particular Google My Business, promote my local store and promotions. How it is possible? That is the condition will be here. So that option will be called go to campaign. This is your Google AdWords account. In this AdWords account, select the new campaign option. Here, local store visit and promotion onto Google Ads. This is a recent coming to this from this ads campaign. So I have multiple Google My Business. Particular one business, how to select and promote it. Select here, this will be goal. Without goals also will be select direct option is there. There is a without goal option. There is a local. Drive store visit to your local business location with ads showing across Google network such as map and search in an automatical campaign designed for business with many locations. So that is the option. So I'm selecting here in this. Okay. Use Google My Business. Use affiliate location. Here, two things are here. So in this one, here, find an account. Here is the option. So this is a find your account purpose. First, find your Google My Business account and link Google My Business option. So these are all options are here. Now click for preview option. See the previews will be here. So there is a complete preview option will be here. See this one. Okay, fine. My Google business account here. In this, first of all, select option here, select countries and domain name, everything here. So there is a find my Google business account. So here. So I'm searching for my Google business account. So here is not find out the my account. Now here selecting for link my Google business account. So request email and select your option. So here is option will be 61 locations are there. In this location, we had select the first for location here. So this one, manage your local business. So they're showing for particular business option here, sign into your Google business option. Now I'll selecting for particular map option. Now I'll go with the option here. So I'm selecting multiple location, click for continue. In this continue, now I'll start the a particular address will be here. See this one. See this is the particular location will be selecting for your particular option. Now click for save. This will be particular listing will be selecting for your option. In this all listing, use location group. Here is a particular option is there. Use all location, use location group. Select the location group, properly follow these instructions. You have multiple groups, that is a creating for group option. In this, what are the your map will be promoting, that will be selecting in this option. Create. This will be writing for name. Create option. So group was created. Select. So I am selecting only one mapping. So that is the only I'm selecting for one mapping. So here, that is the option we're selecting for with the group option. Language will be English. You can selecting for all languages, but I'm target only for English. So per day I'm spending for 1500. My budget will be here. So here I'm selecting budget. So maximize conversion value here. That is called they go showing for two option, call clicks and driving direction, your location direction and call clicks. So here I mentioned first start date and end date, but here I'm not mentioning end date. Why? Because anytime I run the campaign, anytime will be I can pause the campaign. So that is the purpose. I should maintain only for start date. Save and continue. Steps are three you have to follow. First will be adding location, languages, and your particular options. Second thing is called select your ad group option. Select your ad group option. That mean by you can advertise your business here. Advertise your business here. So that is the option will be select here. Selected. I only selected the website. Follow the proper rules. And here headline will be they maintain for the total 5 headlines and 5 description will be follow this option. So that is a you can show your map, display, search. This will be showing to YouTube also they show the particular ad. This platform will be support in a particular option where YouTube, search, display, and maps. But here they are showing which one, mobile or your desktop. They're showing for mobile option. So here I'm writing this option. Digital marketing services, website design and development. Here you can writing the some information. So that information I can copy from here. So there's only 60 characters. So a little change your things. So yeah, you can call to action, learn more, add your images. The image accepting up to 20 images. So that you can upload the image, search from your website also. So here I'm uploading images here. So we can follow the images, particular guidelines will be here. So what are the image you can upload? See the parameter will be follow the upload images. So I'm selecting for images. Okay. Now here video also will be here is a accepting. So we can go with our channel search. They show you a lot of videos will be presentation here. Just select and save it. So in these videos and everything will be visible to customer in this option. So ad will be preview like this, map, display. You can go to search and YouTube option. So these are the parameters we can follow in this particular ad. So each title will be using for 30 characters. Each description will be using 60. You can up to using for 60 character for each description. So see this ad. Once refreshing ad, the show to customer will be your particular ad will be like this. So that all will be your particular platform will be visible to the users on the mobile device option. So this finally save and continue it. So that is the we can selecting this option. So here, which is we can allocate it and save it. Just it is logo required. Just we can adding logo here. Where is your logo? We can add the logo option. So all will be done in this. Any error will be occur. We have to find out the error will be compulsory mandatory field. Final save and continue. In this, how much reach, how many people will be reached, that all will be showing for last confirmation. You can check it out. This ad will show to customer maps, display, search, and YouTube also. Skip and video below option will be. But this ad is visible by only for mobile version. See, preview show potential ads assignment using your asset. Not all combinations are showing, and some shortening also occur your some formats. So these all option will be given in this. Final save and continue. Here what are the errors you occur, we can find out here. Just final when we come into this save and continue to option, so that will be here, we'll be posting the ad will be in a particular direction. So in this will be start the map ad. So here I'm clicking this option, we will get one error, your account can't show your ad, the start running. First fix it this option, we'll go to fix it option here, we can stay there. So how we can fixing this option, go to billing information. Before any ad will be creating on the fix it is for purpose, we have to fix it this billing system. Once billing system will be finished, we can start your ad option. That will be all information will be here. So that is a compulsory is a machine should important to finish the your billing payment option. Without this one, we can't account will be create on Google My Business option. So that is a your final confirmation option. So manual payment, money transfer, and everything is done. Now click for submit. Now finally we'll click for and confirmation your particular ad option. So this will be go to the final option after set up the payment thing. So this is a parameter we can follow this one to create a Google My Business ads on your particular Google AdWords option. That will nothing but local store visit and promotions to promote your Google Maps. The particular locations will be here. So this is a follow instructions, promote your Google My Business, getting calls and directions, and your website traffic purpose. Follow these instructions, promote your Google My Business to drive a traffic on your website. If any further doubts, still your query, you can ask me to my channel. I definitely will be support how we can creating for this ad. I'll give you the steps on the particular chat message also. Thank you. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.